Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I can't recall if I've done a nail mail video. If I have, it has been a very long time. Okay, and that's because I just buy stuff randomly. So I might find this over here on Amazon, I may find this over here on this website, whatever. But I gotta tell y'all, that's how amazing or interestingly amazing my experience was with this company. It is called iGel Beauty, and I took advantage of iGel Beauty's Black Friday sale. And when I say I took advantage of it, you read the title of this video. I got $275 worth of stuff for $75. And it's a lot. So this is the box. Nice big box of stuff, and I'm going to go through it with you guys. But before I do that, I just have to tell y'all, because like I said, it was an interestingly amazing experience. I think so. When iGel Beauty, I first found out about them last year in 2021, and I bought some items for them. I don't think it was Black Friday, but they had some type of sale going on. You know, a lot of people were trying to get rid of inventory that they couldn't move during 2020. So I think that was what I was taking advantage of, but I got a lot of good deals. But this Black Friday sale was something else. Now, the sale was amazing. It was either Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Over that weekend, I had bought a whole bunch of stuff for them. Great, right? But then I'm looking and I see that it said my items were shipped on December 2nd. Okay, I understand that they're not Amazon, so I was not expecting my items to be at my house by December 4th. Most businesses don't have 2-day shipping, and as you can see, this went USPS, so United States Postal Service, or as some people call it, snail mail. So, you know, I give it a week, you know, sometimes 2 weeks, because I've had things come from, I've ordered shoes or other items from California, and it takes like a week and a half. But you know, I don't know how different people ship things. I don't know about shipping prices and stuff. Thankfully, my business does not ship items, so I don't know that world, but I like to give people grace when you're not Amazon, because most businesses do not ship like that. So I'm like, okay. But next thing I know, I look around, because I like the surprise of ordering stuff during Christmas time, because then, you know what I'm saying, you order the stuff and it comes when it comes, but it's like a gift from me to me. You know what I'm saying? I love that. I love that year round, but especially Christmas, because I'm going to treat myself. If I don't do nothing else, I'm going to treat myself to some nice stuff. So yes, I got Black Friday gifts for other people, but most of the stuff was for me. So including this. So next thing I know, it's December 12th, and I'm like, I still haven't got my stuff. It's been 10 business days. It's been 10 days, not 10 business days, but it's been 10 days. So I was like, okay, on December 14th, because I think that was a Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Don't get me lying. But on December 14th, I said on the 12th, I'm going to give it a couple days, and then I'm going to reach out to them to see what's going on with my stuff at. Didn't have to, because on December 14th, I get an email with a return label. How am I return something I never received? How you do that? So I sent them a text message and an email. So what happened with my initial order, I ordered something, and you know how websites will tell you like, oh, it's only 3 left, but 13 people have it in their cart. It was one of those situations, and I was like, let me go ahead and buy now, because them other 13 people, forget them. I want my stuff. Somebody clicked it faster than me, so they had already contacted me via email and text. Hey, this item is out of stock. Would you like to replace it with something else? So when I got that return label, I contacted them to the same email address that they had contacted me about the same email address and the same phone number that they had contacted me about the item that was sold out. I was like, hey, I got this return label, but I never received my items. I don't even think 5 minutes passed, and an associate contacted me and was like, hey, Miss Lockhart, I am so sorry. You know, your items were actually sent to the wrong person. So they also got a return label. You can just ignore that. We're in the process. If you still want your items, we're in the process of packaging them, you know, again, so that way we can reship you your order. And I'm like, thank you for this quick response. And yes, I absolutely do want my item, but I really appreciate y'all getting back with me. And they were like, it's no problem. You know, we don't want you to have a, you know, tarnished view of our business. So, well, you know, thank you so much for being understanding and everything. And I'm like, okay. Yeah. I don't even think it was 5 days later package comes in the mail. And I use the app Shop, which you can purchase things on Shop as well, but I like that because then I get a little piece of tracking and I get a notification to say that my item was delivered. And I love when that notification popped up and said my stuff was delivered. So with me being as extra as I am during Christmas time and on my birthday, which works out, Christmas is in December, my birthday is in July, I like to have 4 different sets of nails during that time. So because it's my birthday month and I like to be extra, every week of July I have a new set of nails because it's a celebration. So my nails are going to celebrate too. And same thing for Christmas. I love Christmas time. I like to say that, you know, it's so many ideas that I have in my head, but the week of Christmas, I like to say that I like my nails to look like Christmas threw up all over my hands because it's got to be extra. It's got to be over the top. Leading up to it, they're all over the top like that. But, yeah, they got to really be like, oh my goodness, that's a lot for Christmas. That's what I want people to say. It's either like, oh my gosh, this is so creative, or oh my gosh, that's a lot. You're doing a lot. And I'm like, thank you. That was the point. So I only am going to be doing 3 sets of nails this year because my items came to me late with iGel Beauty, but that's okay because this set of Christmas nails is going to be amazing. But I just wanted to tell y'all about my experience with iGel Beauty. Shout out to them. If you are in the market for nail products, you should most definitely check them out. They have amazing sales throughout the year. Black Friday was just crazy. When I tell you they had $15 nail polishes on sale for $4.50, and I racked up, and they had a bunch of other like nail art stuff, and it was so many things. I just had to, you know, where you put a whole bunch of stuff in your cart and you're like, you're doing too much. Take some of this stuff out. So I was like, don't spend more than $100. And I didn't, but I didn't look at what the original price of the item was. But what happened was when they shipped my second order, because, you know, my first order got mailed to the wrong person. When they shipped my correct order, they told me what the price of everything was had I paid regular price. And I was like, this is almost $275 worth of stuff. Go me for knowing how to shop for a good deal. So absolutely check them out. Their customer service is amazing. Their products are amazing. So you're not going to regret any purchase that you make from them. So now let's get into this unboxing. Don't judge my nails. I'm about to use these same products to do my Christmas nails. Just that we don't even have to comment on that, okay? It's about to be fixed, all right? But let's see what we got in here. So this first item, oh, I'm so excited about this. So this is glass paper. I'm so excited to figure out how I want to incorporate this into a nail set. It's kind of got this pinkish coral color. This is Designer Ether Flake. I don't know if you can catch that sparkle. This is another Designer Ether Flake. I'm going to swatch some of these too, especially the nail polish colors. This is Black Chrome, and I am so glad it came with some of these because I don't have any. So it's very dark, if you can see, but yes, that is Black Chrome. This is Gold Chrome. Get into that. I got these nail foils. Let's see them from the back. Maybe you can see them a little bit better, but they're like different types of animal print. Excited about these. They'll be very cute. Okay, so let's get into the swatching. Now, I actually ran out of swatch sticks, so I only got to swatch so much, but let's start with the chrome powders. Now, this is Mirror 11. This is the gold powder. Okay, hindsight is 20/20 because what I should have done is done these over a color, but still, I just did clear top coat and brush the powder on top. And I did not do a top coat on top, which is why there's gold on my hands. This is gorgeous. Gotta keep moving on. Okay, so this is the Mirror 11. This is the gold chrome powder. Then this is the Mirror Black. Now, my only issue with this, it's very like a deep black, so that's good. But where's the mirror part? And maybe the mirror shows up when I put a top coat on it. Because again, I just brushed the powder on there and it's over clear. So maybe if I put this on top of a color, it would have done something else. But I'm still going to use it, but it's not the effect that I wanted to have. I thought it was going to have some shine and the chrome to it like the gold does. All right, so next are the polishes. So this is JG5 Ruby Red. That is this jelly red color here. And like I said, I didn't put a top coat on any of these. Just got excited and wanted to show them off. So this is the jelly red here. Put that right there. Now we're getting into the mood colors. This is pink grapefruit, and I am going to show the color it turns to in just a moment. This one is lavender, in the center, lavender chamomile. And this one is maple syrup. All right, so the next one is G20. So this is the one, it glows. It's like this nice milky white color. It's called Vanilla Bean, and it's going to have a nice green glow to it. This one is MG3 or Chamomile Naked Cake. So it's this nude color, and then it's gonna glow green as well. I'm gonna show off the color change and the glow later. Next one is Pistachio Gelato. So it's this green color here. Then we have Black Sesame Crepe. Okay, so these are the colors that I got. I'm gonna go get some hot water so you guys can see what the mood polish ones turn to. So I'm going to remove this one because this one doesn't turn into anything. So I'm gonna go grab some hot water. Well, this one glows, so we'll leave that for when I do go in the dark. Let me go get some hot water so you can see the mood change. All right, I'm back with my hot water. So let's start with this one. This one is Chamomile Naked Cake. See, it starts off this nude color. So that, and it turns into a more neutral nude. And we'll get to that glow later because this one also glows in the dark. This next one is Pistachio Gelato. Starts off this green color. It's not a huge difference with this one, but it goes from green, like a pistachio green, to a mint green. This one is Black Sesame Crepe. Have this gray here, and it turns to a lighter gray. We have Pink Grapefruit. We have this bright pink color, and that one is gorgeous. This nice like peachy nude. That's very cute. Next is Lavender Chamomile. This vibrant purple that turns into like a fuchsia purple color. Violet, if you will, not fuchsia. Turns violet. And last we have maple syrup. We have this nice auburn brownish color. It turns bright orange. Love it. So some of them are slowly turning back or have turned back. So now we're down to the glow in the dark part. I'm not sure if they've had enough light from my ring light to glow. So let me test that out right quick. That's some good glow right there. That's a really pretty glow. Mm. Love it. So this is everything that I purchased from iGel Beauty. This is what $250 worth of nail products looks like. I'm so excited to get started. But also keep in mind, because some people may be like, that's not even that much. Just keep in mind, next time you go get your nails done and people are charging the prices that they're charging, like quality nail products are not cheap. And these are all quality products that I have here today. So again, this is what $250 worth of nail products looks like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment below, what is your favorite product that I purchased today, or will you be checking out iGel Beauty for yourself? Drop that in the comments below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's going to be more content coming. It's going to be nail content, hair content, just all kinds of beauty related content that I'm going to be posting for you guys, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. So make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Until next time, bye.